Can you go by the bus in the sky? क्या आप बस से स्काई में जा सकते हो? Okay. Now can you go by the train in the sky? Voice is not coming. Can you go by the train in the sky? Okay. So by which which transport we will go in the sky? By the all the students will become like an aeroplane. And now we will move to the sky ride. Now we will move to the sky ride. Let's move. Aeroplane, aeroplane, fly in the sky. Aeroplane, aeroplane, fly in the sky. Oh, stop. Where we are in the Okay. Now first see, क्या नजर आ रहा है आपको? ये क्या दिख रहा है? What is this? What is this? Sun. First thing you see in the sky is sun. क्या देखा आपने? Sun. Okay. And what is this? Next one is moon. What is this? Moon. What is this? Always speak louder. Moon. Okay. बेटे you can say चंदा मामा. बट ना जो स्टूडेंट स्कूल आते हैं तो आप इसको 2 नेम्स से बुलाते हैं, चंदा मामा एंड मून ऑल्सो. ओके, व्हाट वी कॉल इट? मून. टुडे वी कॉल इट मून. इन द स्काई. Aeroplane up so high. So what is this? Tell me. Aeroplane. What is this? Next is sun. Next is So speak with ma'am. First ma'am will speak, then you will speak. Okay? I see the sun. Sound is not coming. Sun sees me. I see the sun. Sun sees me. God bless the sun. Me. God bless the sun. God bless me. Now see this. Moon.
What is this?
Moon. Now recite the rhyme for moon. Okay? I see the moon. Louder, beta. I see the moon. Moon sees me. I see the moon. Moon sees me. God bless the moon. God bless me. Okay, next is cloud.
Everyone.
और next आपने sky में क्या देखा? What you have seen?
Cloud.
What is this? Cloud. Now speak the rhyme for cloud also. I see the cloud.